Hey everyone, it's Keegs here again from Audata with another quick tip video. Simple tips to help you master Audata products in under 5 minutes. Today we're going to look at cleaning up prize statuses in Promo. Something I see quite a bit after a station's been using Audata Promo for a while is that quite often they end up with a lot of prize statuses. So if we look at down here, like all these kind of things, custom prize statuses that different people sometimes that have come and gone in the business have created over the years, often for different specific campaigns, and you just don't need them anymore. Sooner or later, it gets pretty messy and it makes it really hard to manage your data. And if you're a bit of a neat freak like me, it can be quite annoying. So I'm going to show you how you can safely get rid of all those old prize statuses that you no longer need. So let's open up the administration panel. The good news is it's actually quite simple. We'll go to prizes and prize statuses. And you can see we've got a bunch down here. I'm going to actually create a new prize status first, because what you can do is create one that we're going to make that will replace all those old prize statuses. So let's make one and call it archived. So this can be for all the prizes and prize statuses that we just don't have to worry about anymore because the contests or whatever have finished a long time ago. And let's make it, I don't know, gray or something. You can choose obviously any color that you want. With the options, we are going to make sure we select remove prize from inventory. We're going to select archive the prize. We're going to select prevent prize from being edited, and that's all we're going to do, nothing else there. We won't add any notifications, and we'll click create prize status. And now if we go back to our prize statuses page, we can simply go through and delete these prize statuses, and you'll see if we click on the right down arrow next to a prize status we want to delete, and we go delete status. Before it deletes it, it asks what prize status we want to replace any prizes that currently have this prize status with. So we select from the drop down and we pick archived, the one we just created, and click delete. So then you just simply go through and delete all the prize statuses you don't need anymore and replace them with the new archived prize status. Videos, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and we'll talk to you again soon.